In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse and expand sections in PowerPoint. Whether you're presenting to a large audience or organizing your slides for easier navigation, knowing how to manage your sections effectively can make your presentation flow more smoothly. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do this easily by clicking on the Windows icon located at the bottom left side of your screen. It's that familiar spot where you generally start most applications. Once you've clicked that, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint. Now that you have PowerPoint up and running, you can either open an existing presentation or start fresh by creating a new one. As you set up your slides, feel free to add your photos, tables, or any other content you'll need for your presentation. This initial step is crucial because having all your materials in place makes it much easier to organize them effectively. Now, with your content ready, let's move on to organizing these slides. Head over to the Home tab. You'll find the Home tab at the top left corner of your PowerPoint screen. Clicking on it reveals an assortment of tools and options that are frequently used. Next, look for the Slides group. Within this section, there's a button labeled Section. It's designed specifically to help you manage your slides more effectively by grouping them into sections. Click on the Section button. At this point, you'll be presented with a couple of options to either collapse or expand your sections. To do this, look for the controls that allow you to collapse all or expand all. Selecting Collapse All will hide all of your sections. This can be particularly useful if you have a large number of slides and you're looking to focus on one particular section at a time, or if you want to minimize distractions by cleaning up your view. On the other hand, you might choose Expand All to display all the sections you have created. This is useful when you want to quickly check through all your slides to ensure everything is organized rightly or during a final review of your presentation. Collapsing and expanding sections are straightforward yet powerful ways to manage your presentation's layout. Utilizing these options routinely can significantly enhance how you interact with your presentation while ensuring your audience's attention remains captivated. As you become more familiar with this feature, you'll find it becomes an invaluable part of your PowerPoint toolkit, saving you time and bringing greater focus to your presentations. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to manage sections in PowerPoint, helping you keep your slides organized and polished. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps to master this essential PowerPoint skill.